We're here to execute a tabletop exercise with the Government of Armenia interagency. It's an initiative that I proposed with our biological threat reduction program in an effort to kind of test the capacities that we have built with countering weapons of mass destruction in the biological, chemical, radiological, and nuclear realms. It's important for the Government of Armenia because it's the first of its kind. This is the first time they've ever done an interagency coordinated effort such as this.
Exercises like this show how well or how difficult it is to collaborate interagency-wise. So we have over 15 different Armenian agencies involved in this exercise, and each one of them have to represent their organizations and how they would respond to a type of threat.
Պետք է ասեմ, որ շատ հետաքրքիր էր ամբողջ այս ընթացքը, վարժանքի ընթացքը, լարված էր, ծանրաբեռնված, որովհետև համակցված էր մի ուղղություն չէր, այլ համակցված էին ճառագայթայինը, կենսաբանականը, միջուկայինը.
Armenia is a unique country in the middle of a geopolitical economic dynamic chessboard, and with the way that CWMD threats have been evolving and transpiring, and then there's of course global and regional trends, we felt it was important to ensure that our investments in countering WMD with Armenia still hold true should something happen.
So at the culmination of this tabletop exercise, we're going to host collectively as a joint organization a field training exercise that will have several scenarios that are exercising the physical ways in which they address a threat. So there'll be bio samples, both on the animal side and the public health side. There's going to be some border activities, things that biological threat reduction program and the proliferation prevention program have assisted in this partnership.
To be quite honest, it's the best exercise start I've ever seen in any country that I've ever been involved in. It's been real, it's been authentic, it's been sincere. There's been no faking anything. Every day they've come into it prepared, building on what transpired from the previous day.
We've had over 100 people in total from the Armenian sites contribute to this exercise. So it really does even show how strong this partnership is, this bilateral partnership.
Շատ կարևոր հանգամանքներ կան, միջ գերատեսչական համագործակցությունը ամրապնդվեց, վերհանվեցին բացերը Հայաստանի Հանրապետությունում, մշակվեցին համապատասխան ուղղություններ դիմակայելու համար արտակարգ իրավիճակներում։ Հետագայում կարծում եմ, որ դա կստանա արդեն գործողությունների ստանդարտ ընթացակարգերի տեսք.
Every once in a while you get a crazy idea or a good idea fairy, but sometimes those are worth pursuing, and here we are now. We are developing a new capacity within the Government of Armenia that didn't exist before. They are now holding interagency forums. Partners such as the EU are approaching to develop national CBRN strategies, and through practices and techniques that we've taught through bringing planning groups together from our exercise have lent them to establish kind of a model going forward to work with other partners. So it can only help Armenia. So it's been great to see Armenia utilizing tools and techniques to further help themselves.